So I was sent this 32-piece chrome wrench set just in time to review for you. So this is a chrome Vanadium steel 2 to 24 inch N.M and includes 1/4 and 3/8 sockets. So this is going to come in handy for me because I need to torque down certain things on my cars and certain repairs, and I only have a huge, probably 1.5 foot long old torque wrench, and this size gives me the flexibility to do oil drain plugs, which I need a specific torque in order to crush the washer that's there to prevent leaks. I don't want to do it and get away with hand tightening and just guessing. I want to be able to torque it to the right specifications, and this will enable me to do that. Also, brake jobs, when I'm torquing down the caliber, it's in a tight little space. It's hard to get that big torque wrench in there, and it's very tight fit. This, for lighter torquing jobs, is perfect. It's great for home repairs, do-it-yourself projects. You could assemble furniture, build things all around the house. It's not just good for automotive issues. It's great for bicycle tuning and building bicycles, maintenance on a motorcycle, putting parts on a motorcycle. So this kit has everything you need to be totally self-sufficient when it comes down to torquing anything precisely around the home, office, or even work. So it has a laser scale for easy reading and a matte finish body. Provides clear marking and enhanced visibility. You're able to have 2 types of torque units, which is N.M and foot-pounds. The wrench has an easily unlocking system where you just pull and spin the handle and then release the top. Of course, this is like a high quality ratchet with quick release. You could install and remove the socket easily with the help of the button on the back. Switching forward to backwards is easy with the lever, and it has a smooth action because it has 72 teeth. So this way you could be super accurate and have a nice feeling. The box clearly indicates all the pieces that you need, and it's securely fastened. You could bounce around the box, open it up upside down, and nothing will come out of place and fall all over the place. So this is a nice carrying case that could fit inside any toolbox. And of course, it's certified by the proper authorities. This way you have accurate settings each time. And the company ensures a worry-free experience with reliable warranty that stands by the quality of their product. This is a great addition to my home toolbox, and it probably will be for you also.